When I enter the bag along talking.
Anyway, it's done music.
Hey, it's your girl Siri here, back with yet another vlog. I think this is vlog number 3, and it is my birthday vlog, my 22nd birthday, the double twos, okay? And I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I'm gonna try to be the best vlogger today. I normally get shy when I go out in public, but I'm gonna try my best to not today. My appointment for my nails is at 9 and it's now like 8:31, and I'm gonna get my hair done later on, so you see all of this bumness gonna be transformed. And then when it is my birthday, I will be set in stone and ready and glammed up, and I'm gonna carry you guys through all of that. So stay tuned, okay? So yeah, that's the deal. For my birthday, I was supposed to do something like go somewhere, but as in somewhere else than here, but circumstances did not allow, and that's fine. I wasn't really ready either to go anywhere this year. Probably next year, not even probably, next year definitely, because I'm already planning on that already. I will be out and about for my birthday, and you guys will be coming along with me then too. So let's get into the vlog. See you guys soon. I'm gonna go get dressed.
Say hi.
Hi.
I was late for my appointment, but
yes you are.
I'm gonna get them done.
Hi
Done.
people, I'm Kads. I'm her nail tech,
Yes. Let me set it.
and I'm gonna slay her nails today.
Of course.
Good morning. No, it's not good morning. Why am I an idiot? Anyways, guys, it's 27 minutes until my birthday, and I was about to be 22. So I decided to just do a little facial, and tomorrow just gonna go about my daily business, and then the fun will begin in the night. So I'll see you. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, bitches.
Alright. Anyways, guys, yeah, I set out my stuff here, so when I come home I just get ready and I just beat or try my best to beat the face. My lip look dry, but it's my birthday. It's gonna be my birthday. It's gonna be my birthday in a few minutes. I'm gonna be 22. I'm gonna be 22. So I'm very excited. I cannot wait to just relax, and it's gonna be a long weekend because it's Memorial Weekend. You know, I don't really have much planned. As I told you guys before, you know, what I had really planned for my birthday, it didn't really go as planned, which next year we're outside. But that's that on that. Don't forget to comment down below and wish me a happy birthday. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when it's 12 o'clock or tomorrow. Yeah, so see you guys soon. Okay guys, so it is 12 and it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Now this is a message from me to me. Sereni, I love you. Happy birthday. 22 years and counting. We only get better from here. No backward, always forward. Not me talking to myself for me. But Sereni, you girl is you girl. You nice bad, and you're intelligent, you're loving, you are kind, you are patient with yourself. The growth that you have faced with yourself is, you know, phenomenal, and it only gets better from here. And I just want to say to myself that I'm happy I am you, and happy birthday to me. And let the celebration begin. Whatever this weekend, you know, has for us, we accept it, we receive it, and we accept it, and that's just on what, period. Okay, so happy birthday, happy 22nd, the double twos.
I was trying to wait until 12 o'clock, but the eyes and the body won't allow me to because I'm tired. But anyways, I just want to say happy birthday. And I hope your day will be filled with nothing but joy, good energy, happiness. And I hope this birthday is a birthday that you will remember. And I pray and hope that God will continue to keep you, guide you, protect you to see many more birthdays. I love you. I love you. Listen, my heart is split in two. Half for you, half for mommy. Yeah, that make up my heart. So you know how that go. And as a girl, I have mad love for you. So there's no say I love you. From my toe point, come straight up to in my knees, them come up in my thighs, come up in my belly, come up in my boobies,
Right there,
come up in my jawbone,
Right there,
come up in my head,
What am I talking about?
Yeah, girl, I love you.
Yeah, right,
unconditionally,
true.
girl.
Right,
Girl,
true.
if me continue to talk about how much me love him and I've done until
Enough love, my babes.
until so that's no say. Your sister got you. I'm your hitter. I'm your ride or die.
And that's on what?
Period.
Heard.
Alright, so I love you and happy birthday.
you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Hey,
to
break it down,
you.
break it down, break it down, break it down. Break it up.
Happy birthday.
Break it up.
Happy
Break it up.
birthday
Break it
to
up.
you.
Break it up. Hey, oh. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, bitch.
Happy birthday.
And that's on period. Guys, so it's the night of my birthday and we are Nashima, you're in the camera. You have to have festivity in your. And Tanis is here. Look at us. It's the gang. Sharice, your hat to show, but we're not see you. Other way, babes. Yeah, gang get art. Our hat fall off. Hat fall off. You know, so we're gonna have some fun right now. It is. See them. So we're gonna have some fun. It's my birthday, 22. Look cute and thick. You cute and nice. Girl, nice. Alright. We're gonna play some music, so I'll get back to you guys when we reach the restaurant, which I think is gonna close. But you know what? Maybe not jinxing. Naki. Alright. We'll get back soon, guys. Char. Wow, you look gorgeous. Yeah, I can't with Tanis. I cannot. Okay guys, so this is not the end of the vlog. I don't think it's going to be the end of the vlog, but it's the end of my night, my birthday night. I'm finally just 22, you know, a grown woman. I did have a lot of fun. Shout out to my big sister, shout out to Tanis, shout out to my best friend. You guys really made it special, and shout out to everyone who wished me happy birthday. It was well received and I did enjoy my birthday, and I feel like I look slaying tonight, okay? But I didn't really record that well because I didn't bring my camera. Forgot that last minute. But if I'm doing anything later in the week, I'm just going with the flow and see how things go. So if I do anything on the weekend again, you know, I'm carrying you guys along because this is my birthday vlog 22, the double 2. So I'm about to take off my makeup and go to bed. Well rest, like I need rest. Look at my eyes, you see, eyes them need rest. So see you guys. My dress like is messed up, so I want to show you guys the fit, but I'll just insert. Anyways, I just want to show you guys, I'll show you guys the fit by inserting like a clip or a picture, but that's that. I will see you guys, bye. So I'm about to take off my makeup, and while I'm doing that, I'll just give you guys a rundown of my night. So initially it was supposed to be 5 of us, but that never worked out. The other girls, it didn't work out, which I understood, and everything. We're gonna do a makeup, but she's really nice, so you know. Anyways, we were supposed to go to Code Red and then go to this place called the Garage, but that, because we were running late, that did not happen. I know I probably look dark, like the lighting is not that perfect, but anyways, that did not happen. So we ended up just going Code Red and, you know, chilling around, and it was just really a nice vibe. I've never been to Code Red in the Bronx before, but it's really nice. And there's a DJ playing, so it was a vibe. It was like for the occasion. I got big up on the DJ stand. I didn't catch that part, but we ordered, we had food. Tanis was a vibe. Oh my gosh, like I don't know if you guys can see from the little clips of videos that I tried to take, but that's that. And then after we came out of Code Red, we took a few pictures. Like I never get to get like the pictures that I wanted and I envisioned in my head, but it's fine, it's whatever, you know. Another time. So that's that. Tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment. I injured my back. I think, yeah, I had a muscle spasm, and I think it's from like exercising. I got it from like exercising. So I had went to the doctor about it. So tomorrow I'm going back for a checkup. The pain is gone, so I'm fine. And I want to do brunch, but it's like after 3 right now, and I really don't know how that's going to go. Oh, let me tell you what happened. So Nashima was really tired, and we found parking right in front of my building, and Tanis held she held the spot for us, and then I went and got the vehicle, and you don't want to know what happened. I hit someone's car, while parking. So that is, I keep on saying sorry because I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know, I feel really bad. But that's that. Yeah, pump gas?
Yes, unfortunately, I have to.
She's not used to this, guys. Pump gas, yeah, pump gas. The dumpling shop. Nashima woke up late and we were supposed to go to brunch, but we're just gonna go to this restaurant right here and get some food. We could have sit outside, but my appointment is at 1:30. It's now 1:12, and you know,
It's chilly.
it's late. It's a dumpling shop. Thank you. So we're in here. We'll get back to you guys. Closing out my birthday vlog. I really enjoyed my birthday, even though I thought that I would do more, and I really wanted to do more just so I could carry you guys along and, you know, vlog the whole experience. But we have more vlogs to come, so don't worry, okay? So let me give you guys a rundown of what I really did, if the previous videos are just really clips, because just all went by so fast. So the Thursday was my birthday, and I went about my normal day, and then in the night I got time to just unwind, and I got dressed and looked all cute on ting, and I went out with some really amazing people that really ensure that I enjoyed my birthday, and that was the best. It was just pure laughter and fun. After we went to a restaurant called Code Red in the Bronx, and that restaurant be full of pure vibes, pure vibes. So I recommend that if you have a birthday and like you're looking for like some Jamaican food with some vibes, check out Code Red. This is not sponsored, by the way, it's not, but that's how much fun I really had. And then after we leave Code Red, we were looking for stuff to do, but then we couldn't find anything. So we're driving around, you know, going from one place to another. And it was just a lot of laughter, a lot of fun. And that was my birthday on Thursday. Then Friday now, I had my doctor's appointments, and I went to that. And that took up most of my day. And after the doctor's appointment, I just came home, you know, chill, relax. I don't think I recorded that. Oh yeah, I went to the dumpling shop in the morning with Nashima. I think I will be inserting a little video of that, a clip of that. But I got some nice breakfast the Friday. Delicious. And then the Saturday, ran some errands, and yeah, slept in because I was so tired. So I ran some errands, and that was it. Really, on the Saturday I was supposed to go brunch, but that never worked out because it's been raining. This Memorial weekend, it's been raining all weekend, and it's just horrible. And it's been cold and just horrible. So even if I wanted to go out despite the rain, the cold alone, And then now today I took the honor and the pleasure of preparing Sunday dinner all by myself for the first time. Like, I will be doing a video on that. Bless me. And so I did a video on that, so you guys watch out for that, of me cooking Sunday dinner for the first time by myself. And that's today. Like, that's it. The plan was for me to go out the Thursday, Friday my appointment, Saturday really I was supposed to go to brunch, and today I was supposed to get a massage, but it didn't work out. And the Gemini side of me just wanted to stay home, if I'm being honest. So that's that. And despite it, I still enjoyed my birthday. I got my gifts. I enjoyed it. And even if I didn't get my gifts, just being around the people that I love, that was the top notch, the cherry on the top for me, you know. And last year birthday, like, I can't say I didn't enjoy last year birthday, because I did. So it was like the same. Despite the panoramic, the Panda Express, still had an honor. And I just would like to specifically shout out my mom for carrying me for 22 years, for growing me into such a beautiful and amazing young lady. Thank you, mommy. Shout out to you. This is all you. Like, me is all you. So shout out to you. Shout out to my sister for always making sure that I have a good birthday despite what is going on. You did it last year, you did it this year, you did it the year before, the year before, the year before, and I'm sure the year after to come. So I love you and I really appreciate you. Shout out to Tanis who came out. Shout out to my best friend who came out too. Shout out to the people who stayed in my DMs or even called or even texted. Shout out to you guys, or even snapped. Shout out to you guys for wishing me a happy birthday. Shout out to anyone I'm missing. Like, I'm not gonna really keep track of everything, but shout out if you're wishing me a birthday, thank you. That's basically what I'm saying. And your girl is 22. And that's just that on that. You can't talk to me too hard, you know. You can't really disrespect me, because guess what, I'm a grown woman and I will act accordingly because I'm grown. Anyways guys, I'm gonna wrap this up because I've been rambling a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, because when I share, I want to share. So don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Like, comment guys, I do not bite. I will respond in the comments down below. Like, we people, you know, people need to communicate. So comment down below, let's keep in touch. And don't forget to follow me on all socials at HeySiri _ on Twitter. And I'll see you next weekend in my next video, and we out.